What if I told you that AI could write your next bestseller, compose a chart-topping song, or design your dream house? Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's already happening, and it's changing everything. Explain how AI is transforming creativity and how industries are embracing AI as a tool for innovation. But question if human creativity can be replaced or enhanced by AI. AI is revolutionizing creativity in ways we never thought possible. From breathtaking art to groundbreaking music, it's helping industries innovate faster than ever. But here's the big question. Can AI truly replace human creativity? Or is it destined to be a powerful collaborator? Stick with me, and by the end, you'll have a new perspective on the future of creativity.
Let's explore how AI is transforming creative fields. 1. Art and design. AI tools like Badal, E3 and Midjourney are creating jaw-dropping visuals in seconds. Designers are using Adobe Firefly to enhance workflows, saving hours of work.
2. Music and writing. Ever imagined an AI composing a movie score or co-writing a novel? Tools like ChatGPT and AI are doing exactly that. AI-generated music and stories are being used in real-world projects, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity.
3. Demo preview. In a moment, I'll demo one of these tools to show you just how accessible AI-powered creativity has become.
Pros of AI and creativity.
Here's why AI is becoming every creator's best friend.
1. Speed and efficiency. Imagine generating ideas or designs in minutes instead of hours. Need a logo, a script outline, or a melody. AI delivers instant. 2. Breaking boundaries. AI thinks differently than we do, offering ideas we might never consider. It's like having a brainstorming partner who never gets tired. 3. Collaboration, not competition. The best part, AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to collaborate. Together, humans and AI can create things neither could achieve alone.
Challenges and concerns with AI creativity, but it's not all smooth sailing. Here are the challenges we can't ignore.
1. Emotional depth. Can AI truly capture the human experience? Sure, it can replicate patterns, but does it feel heartbreak, joy, or nostalgia? 2. Originality and ownership. Who owns an AI-generated painting or song? The creator, the tool's developer, or no one at all? It's a legal and ethical minefield. 3. Bias in AI. AI learns from existing data, and that data isn't always fair. This can lead to stereotypes and a lack of diverse representation in creative works.
Can AI truly replace human creativity? So, will AI replace us? The short answer, no. Human creativity is fueled by emotion, intuition, and lived experiences, things AI can't replicate. While AI can mimic and enhance creativity, it still relies on human input to guide it. Think of AI as a tool, not a rival. It's like a paintbrush, it helps you create, but the vision is yours. Together, humans and AI can achieve more than either could alone.
The future of AI and human creativity. The future isn't about choosing between AI and humans. It's about working together. AI will handle repetitive tasks, freeing us to focus on innovation and storytelling. It will challenge us to push boundaries, offering fresh perspectives and endless possibilities. But at its core, creativity will remain human-led. Call to actions. What do you think? Can AI ever replace human creativity, or is it destined to be our ultimate tool? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. If this topic intrigued you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And here's a teaser for next week. We're diving into how AI is revolutionizing the gaming world, from smarter NPCs to AI-generated game worlds. Trust me, it's going to be epic.